Hey everybody, this is Jason Rotman, and I just wanted to share my origin story on how I came to the world of life insurance and why I'm so passionate about it. Because I never really expected to be helping people with life insurance, and I definitely never expected to be passionate about life insurance, but life had other plans. So my second job out of college after I graduated from Princeton in 2001, I was a day trader. I became a futures day trader in Chicago. Fast pace, big, huge wins, huge losses, extremely stressful, tremendous learning experience, unbelievable learning experience in many ways. It was a learning experience about myself, which may seem like a weird place to start relative to what I learned, but day trading is an incredible self awareness exercise, because you really learn the power of, as Warren Buffett says, temperament in making money from the market. Temperament's very important, amongst so many other lessons of the technical lessons of interest rates and how global markets correlate to each other and so many things like that. So I did that for many years. Okay. Had a good amount of success. And I saw numbers that I never expected to see 2 years out of college on my screen. As far as when days were good, they were really good. Now, my mom was a stay-at-home mom. I grew up in Deerfield, Illinois, and she was a stay-at-home mom. And my dad was in advertising. He followed the path of his dad, doing public relations and marketing and stuff like that. And he got sick. A lot started to happen to him relative to his health. Heart attack, triple bypass heart surgery. He had a stroke in the hospital. So many other things. And his health declined very, very rapidly. And he could not work anymore. So my mom started to work. And again, kind of fast forward, there was a lot of financial burden in our house. There was a lot of financial stress in our house because of that unfortunate adversity in life. My dad ultimately passed away at the young age of 63. Super young. It's very sad. Too young. And he racked up, he was a great father, first of all. He had some credit card debt. There was a mortgage. There was bills. There were bills, I should say. And my mom had just started to work. I mean, she was helping to raise my sister and I while my dad was working for decades. And my dad had this universal life insurance policy that he bought decades before he needed it. Okay. And he owned this cash value policy. And ultimately, I didn't even know. I didn't even know about life insurance at all. I was trading. I was trying to make money every day trading. And when my father passed and my mom received the death benefit from his policy, it really helped her get on solid ground, on healthy financial footing. She paid off debts. She invested. She has a very prudent temperament with investing, so she's done really well. And the death benefit truly, like not even really a hyperbole, it saved my family's financial life. And it saved starting with my mom. And so once I saw that happen in my own family, my life altered forever. My view of personal finance expanded relative to just trying to make $5,000 a day from the market, which sometimes happened and sometimes didn't. My mindset really expanded to what is important, not only in life, because my father passed away too soon, but in financial planning in general. It's not just about making money. That's a huge thing, but there's an element of risk management and protection that I had this awakening on with life insurance. And so now the universe has genuinely, I say that, brought me to this profession where I get to use all of my market background, all of my interest rate knowledge, all of my intermarket analysis knowledge, all of my knowledge on how high net worth investors think, because I've been working with high net worth investors for decades, doing my other line of work in the markets and trading. And so I'm pretty uniquely equipped to help you and my clients navigate the world of life insurance, not just from a product comparison standpoint, but from a holistic, truly holistic, long-term, financial analysis standpoint. And I wouldn't be doing anything else. I'm super passionate about life insurance. It's not just a job. It's kind of one of those meant to be things. That's the way I feel about it. So every day I'm super excited to help people learn about and navigate the world of life insurance. That's my story. Thanks for watching. And I'm going to be making a lot of additional educational videos, but I wanted to start with this one.